Hi all, and welcome back to your channel. So I'm back at Anfield for my daily Anfield Road expansion update. Well, it's not going to be much to update on the expansion because looks like all work has stopped. Look at it, completely dead down there now. Getting strong wind warnings on my screen, so this is going to be a short one, guys. What's this? Something getting taken away? Yeah. Let's get a better angle on that. So this would be all the people taking all their equipment away. Yeah, so that's on a low loader ready for the off. Just seeing one driving through the park. I don't know where that's going. That's coming towards me. I'll check that in a minute. I can see it from here anyway. What's going on down here? Yeah, they look like they were for Liverpool. Yeah, so that's it, guys. Yeah, what do we do? Not we're coming back every day, is it? Although I'll be here tomorrow because I'm going to match, so I'll be here anyway. So I'll do a match day vlog tomorrow. So there'll be something for you to watch. Don't know what he's doing on there. There's a it's just crazy, isn't it? You know, final knock onto this stand being built, and you think everyone will be working. And it's all shut down. There's another wagon there, ready to pick something up. Don't know what that one's for. Oh, there's him. Just making sure they're not flying a drone. Is that Craig? No, I don't think it's Craig. It's looking a bit sparse in here as well now, isn't it? Oh yeah, don't know, guys. I'll answer some questions that people have asked. I haven't been answering in the comments because I just once I've filmed it, edited it, uploaded it, I've been ready for a sleep then, so I've got my head down, getting some rest, making sure I'm alright for tomorrow for the match. So I'll be doing the same today. Film it now, get home, edit it, upload it, and let the rest do its own thing. Ask questions, guys, because I will answer them at some point. Let's get over the grounds. So match day ready now, aren't we? So let's concentrate on the football instead. So we've gone from losing Hendo and getting Endo. It looks like we've got that Japanese lad, doesn't it? From Stuttgart, which people aren't that excited about because he's only 16 million quid. But apparently if it wasn't for him last season, Stuttgart would have got relegated. So let's give the lad a chance. I don't know if he signed already. Has he signed? I haven't seen anything announced, so let's just make sure he's not on the pitch. No, that's a tour going on, isn't it? Make sure there's no player unveilings going on while I'm here. Yeah, so the stat I heard yesterday was, which was a good one that someone sent to me, was Jurgen Klopp, every time he's won a league title, he's had a Japanese player in his team. So, is that another omen? The other omen yesterday was where last time we got a stand built, it was the main stand, just here. The main contact to Carillion went bump, someone took it over, built it, then after that we went on and won everything. Let's just hope all these omens are coming through for us and it works out for us on the pitch, okay? Have a look down here. That more stuff getting taken away. It's gonna fit on the back. Yeah, it should fit on the back of there, shouldn't it? Let's just stick with these a sec, and I'll answer some questions while I'm watching this. I did write a couple down, not too many. So first one, people are saying is that it's just Liverpool's fault. No, it's not Liverpool's fault at all. It's put it into perspective. If you got your bathroom done and a company come in and ripped out the bathroom, you paid them, and then they scrapped your old bath, your old shower, your toilet and everything, just left it bare bones, and then didn't come back and finish it off. Is that your fault? No, it's not. They're going over here. So no, it's by no means Liverpool's fault. This is all on Buckingham. Why is it only announced now? Now, it seems funny that it got announced the day after Liverpool got their safety certificate for the lower tier. Maybe there was rumours going round. I never heard anything. So maybe it was kept hush hush. But I want to see where everything's going. Let's see what's happening here. Hopefully they're just getting stored and kept there. Yeah, I never heard anything, so it might just be coincidence, but I reckon Liverpool wanted to guarantee the safety certificate for the lower tier, and then it could get announced. Will people get paid? You know what, the simple answer to that is, I don't think they will, and it's sad. It's really sad, especially the workers. But there's going to be business that could go to the wall with this as well, you know, that have sold a load of materials, you know, on credit and haven't been paid yet, and they're not going to get paid. So how it works out with the creditors and stuff like that, I don't know. But a lot of people are going to lose out. And yeah, that's it. They're the most frequently asked questions in the comments. So there's quite a lot going down the Kenny side here. What are they? Are they seats? Can't be seats then, can they? They are seats, look at all them. There's rows of them there. They're all going to be getting scrapped as well, aren't they? It's a shame that. Look at that. Look at them all. People would have them. I don't condone trespassing, by the way, guys. But sure, if you went along and asked for a seat, they'd give you one if they're getting scrapped. What's What's this here? Steamroller. A roller of some sort, is it? It's not the old-fashioned steamroller, is it? Yeah, guys, it's there's quite a bit going down the Kenny side, which is, I think, has always been the storage area. There's all wagons getting loaded up. Stuff on the move. Look, it looks like it's getting taken away. So, yeah. I expect a complete shutdown to happen today with the match happening tomorrow. So, yeah. Right, guys, I'm going to leave it there. Nothing to report on, is there? Just a few bits and bobs getting moved about. But tune in tomorrow because I'll have a match day vlog on tomorrow. Probably tomorrow night at some point. But if you hear anything, I'll be up here. I don't know if it's worth coming up every day. Let's see what that's doing. Looks like there might be a little bit of work going on. Don't know. Right, I'm going to leave it there, guys. Thanks for everyone's continued support, by the way, through all of this. It's really appreciated. Going forward, I don't know. Hopefully there'll be some announcements soon of a contractor taking over and getting this finished. But we'll just see. Anyway, thanks everyone. Really appreciate everything. If you like the channel, please subscribe to it. Comments and likes are always appreciated. And I will speak to you very soon. Bye now.